revolution.
This isn't the only way that Volvo is doing good things. Swedish automaker, Volvo, has always been known for building some of the safest cars in the world. In fact, Volvo is so obsessed with building safe cars that it deliberately comes up with new crash testing methods. Volvo has been revolutionizing the industry in more ways than one, like subscription-based car services and new hybrid and EV powertrains. Volvo is committed to becoming a more environmentally friendly company, and its latest factory in Skovde, Sweden is the company's first to be completely climate neutral. As of January 1, 2018, Volvo's engine factory in Sweden has been using renewable heating methods. Improving energy efficiency is our first priority, and then, for the energy we need to use, we aim for supplies generated from renewable sources, said Javier Varela, Senior Vice President of Manufacturing and Logistics at Volvo. The Skovde plant achievement is an important addition to our broader efforts in minimizing our environmental footprint. We are pleased to be a leader within the automotive industry in the move towards climate-neutral manufacturing. Volvo hopes to have completely climate-neutral operations by 2025. The heat supplied to the Skovde plant is generated from waste incineration, biomass and recycled biofuels, which means that the factory no longer produces more carbon emissions than it takes in. The factory's electricity already came from renewable sources, and Volvo will continue to make changes towards renewable energy in its other plants.